Right, welcome to today's video. I will be reviewing the Brdrc car suction cup mount. Now, I've not seen any reviews on this yet. I was in two minds of buying the Tilta Hydra Alien Mini. The Movimax, this is similar to the Movimax. Obviously the Tilta Hydra Alien Mini, if you're watching this video, you know what that is already. It comes with an electric suction mount, also a handheld part. So what I've got here is the Brdrc suction mount, car suction mount, shock absorber. So this is made specifically for the Osmo Pocket 3, hence it being this attachment here, which you can take off and screw the Osmo Pocket directly onto it. However, I would prefer the security of this. I'm believing this is an aluminium device. It feels superb. It's about half the price of the Tilta Hydra Alien Mini. I don't know if it's near as good. It comes with the suction mount with the red lining. So we'll be testing that to see if this is any good quality. It's got loads of 3/4 thread screws, so you can attach little rings and put your straps to secure the device to it. It comes with a nice suction absorber, shock absorber. It's a bit difficult to use. It took me 10 minutes to use it, but all it was is I didn't read the manual, which most of us don't do. We just take it straight out of the box and don't read the manual. So you get a basic manual in the box with it. It's pretty much, I believe it's made in China, because I couldn't literally find nothing on it, not even a manual online. And the manual is a basic paper with, it does have good images. It's not the best, but it is more than doable. It comes in multiple languages. So it shows you get the air release handle, suction cup base, safety line, pump button, elasticity adjustment knob, angle adjustment knob, bottom fixing knob, tightness adjustment knob. So if you was considering getting this this is going to be the perfect video for you. So how you sort of adjust it, because it was sort of confusing at the start. Also, it can only screw in one way. I was screwing it the other way because, as you can see, it doesn't come with anything to secure that screw. So I was thinking, wow, this is a bit crazy. It's not, where's the other screw? Did I drop it or something? But no, it comes with one screw in with a washer. I don't know if the camera can sort of pick up the washer right here. You pretty much release that. Right, I've secured it that tight. Yeah, you can pivot it up and above. I believe the Tilta Hydra Alien Mini is sort of better because you can sort of turn this sideways. But however, this you can't. It can only go one way. However, there is a little hack solution for that. So as you can see, this counterweight adjustment tool here. If you twist that with your Pocket 3 in here and twist it to the side, then you can get side shots or whatever motion you want. So setting it up, I will show you me setting it up with the Osmo Pocket 3, putting it in and attaching it to the device. Quickly, I'll show you how to adjust it. So what you want to do here is make sure this orange adjustment tool is in the middle of the spring. And what you do is you compress it with your finger, the spring itself, then you adjust it to however bouncy you want it. So I'll bring it up a little bit. It's sort of hard to do. You got to do it with 2 fingers. Drop it there. And I was going like this thinking, why ain't it bouncing? Then you've got to literally go. So I'm literally going to get my Osmo Pocket 3 strapped up. I'm going to change cameras to the Osmo Nano, sorry. And yeah, so let's get to it.